Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add song to Instagram post after posting it. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. First of all, you need to open your Instagram application and then at the bottom right click on your profile image button, here it is. After that you need to click on any post you want to add music to, for example this one. Then in this interface at the top right you need to click on the three dots button right up here. And then you can click on the edit button, here it is. Then as you can see there is a tag people, edit alt text, you can write a caption, you can add location, but you can't actually add music to this existing post. So the only one way how you can add song to a post after posting it is to go back to your post, and then at the bottom of your screen click on the airplane button, and then you need to scroll this list of options and then find add to story, here it is. Then at the top right corner you can click on the music button or maybe sticker button. For example, I will click on the music button, and then you need to find any music you want, for example this one. Then at the top right click on the done button. So after that you can click on the your story to post it in your story, or choose specific friends, or maybe click on the white arrow button at the bottom right, here it is, and then click on the share button and then done. So after that this post will be added to your story, and this is the only one way how you can add song to Instagram post after posting it. So if you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.